Hey guys, it's Harry Keeper. Today I'm going to be showing you a full tour of my Boeing 737 that I've been working on for the past week. Enjoy! And anyways, I hope you like that small intro. I might be doing most of my tour videos like that. So first, let's get into this. So near the front, you can see we have this huge cockpit window. You can see we have 4 functional doors on this Boeing 737. You can easily slide them out. And then you can easily peel these pieces off like this. Then you get entry to the first class section. It is very spacious with 4 studs of legroom and only 3 seats. Also, once you make your way up top, you can see the cockpit door here. Once you get in, you see 1 seat that is going to be occupied by a pilot. Next, to see the rest of the interior, can again simply peel off the rest of these pieces, and then you'll see that you'll come across the galley and the emergency exits row. These two are some important features that I decided to add because all of the planes have this. So you can see the only bathroom in there, kind of crowded with a toilet and a sink and a flush button at the end. Then you can see the galley. We have lots of economy class, 22 studs of legroom. And over here you do see the exits that are fully functional. Then here's the wing. Yes, you can actually fold the flaps down like that and up, of course. And in the back there's another galley with a cabinet that you can open. Kind of hard, but you can actually open that. Like that. And there's some food stuff in there. And then now let's get on to the bottom features. So I had taken off the entire tailpiece because it's going to get in the way. Anyways, here it is. It has fully retractable landing gear and fully turning engines. So near the front, you can see there is some nose gear that you can push down, get in there. Then you can see we have some lights that can turn on, and that can do this. You can flip the switch again. That next you can put this gear door up, then put these 2 gears in, which are very stubborn many times, like this. I'm currently trying to fix that, don't worry. Like this, and then you can close it once more, and of course you can fold them back out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Bye.